How to reopen Frozen Shopify Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's just talk about how it's done and what you need to do in order to reopen it. So basically, Shopify freezes your store for mainly just one reason, is that you did not pay for your plan and you stopped paying for it. So your store is going to be frozen. It's not going to be deleted, it's going to be frozen. So all you need to do really just go to shopify.com and you need to be prepared to pay for the plan. And if you actually exceeded the time of the plan, you may actually choose to downgrade. So let's say you used the Grow plan, you can just feel free to choose to downgrade to the basic one and pay for that instead. Just mind you, obviously you're going to have less futures and the futures that you had with the Grow is going to be removed, obviously. But anyways, in order to actually reactivate your store, it's very simple. Just go to shopify.com and just log in with the same account that you had your store in. And for me, it opened up my store, my current store, because I don't really have a frozen one. But in your case, you're going to find something like this. So for you, as soon as you actually sign up or sign in, with your account, it's going to ask you to get back to business for, it really depends for me because it was a trial. It's just, €1. But for you, it really just depends on the plan that you want. So if you're still insistent with the same plan that you want, it's just going to show that price. But you can also feel free to change the plan by clicking on View All Plans and selecting the one that is more appropriate to you. So let's say the basic one, click on Select that, and you basically just pay for it. Once you pay for it, your store should be reactivated, and now you can feel free to start again with your store. By start again, I don't mean that they are actually going to remove things from your store other than the futures that you used to have with the bigger plan. So your store is going to be as it is, except for the futures that you had with a higher level plan if you did end up downgrading. Hopefully that made sense. So it's going to be very straightforward. Just go ahead and log into your account, select the proper store. If you have multiple, you can just select it from the top right, click on that and click on all stores, and you should be able to see your store from there. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.